Tracer. Today I will be reporting about operational planning. What is operational planning? Operational planning is a short-term process na nakatutok sa daily, weekly at monthly activities ng isang organization. Ito ang nagsisilbing foundation para sa mga routine task at para masigurong nagagamit na maayos ang resources para maabot ang immediate goals. Unlike strategic or tactical planning, operational planning is more detailed and action-oriented. Ibig sabihin, dito natin makikita ang specific steps kung paano gagawin ang mga tasks sa araw-araw. Key characteristics of operational planning. Time frame, short term, maaaring daily, weekly, monthly, at hanggang 1 year. Focus, dito po natin makita yung routine activities and immediate priorities. Responsibility, usually handled by lower level managers, supervisors, or team leaders. Nature, highly detailed, action-oriented, and practical. Then, pangatlo po ay operational planning definition. Operational planning refers to creating specific objectives, tasks, and schedules na mag-guide sa day-to-day operations ng isang company or team. Tina-target na to ang goals within 1 year at sinisiguradong align ang short-term goals sa overall strategy ng organization. Pang-apat, example of operational planning. Ito po ang pagpe-prepare ng daily work schedule for employees, pagsaset ng weekly production or sales targets, pagmumonitor ng inventory levels at pagre-restock ng supplies, pag-a-assign ng specific tasks to staff members, then yung lastly, ensuring compliance with daily safety and quality standard. And lastly po yung importance of operational planning. Operational planning is important because nagbibigay ito ng clear direction for daily tasks, nagpapabuti ng coordination between teams and departments, tumutulong sa efficient resources allocation, nag-i-increase ng productivity, ng reducing confusion and delays. Tinitiyak na ang short-term action ay nakasupport sa long-term goals ng organization. And yun lang po, and thank you for watching.